children? Yesterday you learnt about the
last video.
In the previous class you learnt about the life cycle of butterfly. Now you are going to learn about the life cycle of a frog. The life cycle of a frog. We are going to learn more about the life cycle of a frog. The egg frog doesn't look like a frog. To get this full entirety, they have to undergo all these stages. The first, the frog lay eggs under the water, in the mosses or in the wet places. Slowly, the eggs, this forms the embryo. The egg get developed as an embryo. After a few days, they come out as a tadpole. This is called as tadpole. They have gills for the respiration. They don't have legs. They don't have anything. After a few days, they get the two hind legs. Hind leg is formed inside. It looks like this. After a few days, it comes with four legs, and it looks like a frog, but they are the tail. They use these hind legs for jumping, just swimming. They swim very good in water. Slowly, the tail disappears. And they come to this form. That is the frog form. It takes all the changes. This transformation of changes is called as metamorphosis. And this metamorphosis happens only in the case of butterfly and frog. Children, do you understand all these things? You have to read your lessons. You have to read the lesson from your textbook. Read the lesson properly. Read page to page to end, so that you can get a more detailed studies you can do. So be ready with your notebooks. Now we are going to come with the exercises. Are you ready, children? Okay, fine. Now we are starting with the fill in the blanks. We are starting with the fill in the blanks. You can see, come on, read the first filler. The female butterfly lay, what they lay? Eggs on the leaves of the plant. The next one, the larva of butterfly is called a, what is that larva? I have told you in the lesson itself, I showed you that they eat after the eggs comes out in the form of larva. That is called, what is it called? It is called as caterpillar. The end one of the frog is called, correct, tadpole. Dash animals live both land and water. Then what is this called? It is an amphibian animal. Why this is called as amphibian animal? Frog is called an amphibian animal. Crocodile is an amphibian animal. Why? Because they can live both in land and water. Come on, next page. Take out the next page, children. Now we are going to say true or false. Snakes and birds lay eggs. While teaching the chapter, I told you these two lay eggs. They don't give birth to their animals. Is it true or right? Yes, is it true? A lamb emerges from the tank. What is a lamb? Mary had a little lamb. You have already learnt that. What is that? It's the sheep, the chota sheep. The small one, the young one of sheep is called as lamb. It comes out from the mummy's tummy. Fox. We cannot see the eggs of an ant because they are very tiny. The ant itself is very tiny. So how the eggs will be? It will be more tiny. So you cannot see that. So it's true. When the caterpillar caterpillar emerges from an egg, it is not very hungry. When it comes out from the egg, the caterpillar is very hungry. It will be going on eating. You can see that many leaves are eaten. It is all because of the butterfly. You can see cabbage. You can see many other things like peas. You can see inside one caterpillar. That means what? They goes on eating. Within 4 weeks they have to be very plumpy. So they will be very hungry. As they come out of that, they will be going on labeling the leaves, vegetables, what is nearby. So it's very hungry. So this is false. Fictional. Let us go to the next. Answer the following. The next page you have to write the answer the following questions. Why must the hen sit on an egg? Why they sit? Have you seen this? You have seen. I have already shown in the clippings. What is that? Why they sit? To get warm, to hatch. The egg should be warm. It has to be make it hot. Then only it can hatch, and the full in that egg, the full growth will undergo. So for that they have to sit on the egg. So you can sit there. The hen sit on her eggs to be warm and to hatch it, so that you will get chicken. Next question. Which are the 4 stages of life cycle of a butterfly? What are the 4 stages? I showed you in the clippings. What are the 4 stages? Egg, larva, pupa, and then an adult butterfly. Pupa is also called as chrysalis. Now, the next page, we have the match the following. Terrestrial animals. What is the terrestrial animals? That live on land. Terrestrial animals that live on land. All the animals like elephant, lion, tiger. You can see so many things. All these animals live on land. Dog, cat. They are said to be as terrestrial animals. So they live on land. Amphibian animals. What is amphibian animals? They live both land and water, like frog, crocodile. Aquatic animals. The animals that live only in water. Which animal live in water? Yes, fish. Correct. Tropical animals. What is a tropical animal? This is a new word for you. The tropical animals. Tropical animals that live only in forest. Lion, they live in forest, they live in jungle. That is the wild animals. That is called as tropical animals. Now, here one activity is given for you. Draw the life cycle of butterfly. What is the life cycle of butterfly? You have to draw this. Again, I will be showing the clippings what you have to draw. How you have to draw. First you have to write the names of these. These are the stages they are going to undergo. Next you have to draw this caterpillar. Next stage, that is the pupa, that is the chrysalis, and then the adult, that is the beautiful butterfly. The last stage, you have to draw this beautiful butterfly. This is the life cycle. That's what you have to draw. You have to draw the one leaf with egg, and then they get to grow on the caterpillar, and then they live on the leaves, they feed on leaves. And then after that, next section, they make their own secretion, they make their own house, that is called as pupa. Inside they live, and then after the fully grown, they comes out in the form of butterfly. And then the last is the beautiful butterfly which goes around to make it happy. Okay children, do this all the activity and come again, make it ready in the one file. Maintain one file, do all these things, the assignment, the project, whatever the activity is given, make a file. Whenever the school opens, I take all this Bye children, thank you.